Welcome to ukinfos. Today's topic is memory of the computer. So what is computer? So computer is an electronic device that manipulates data and informations. So now memory of the computer. The memory of the computer is measured in units of bits and bytes. So we measured using bits and bytes. So the memory of the computer is measured in units of bits and bytes. The full form of bit. So binary digit. Binary digit. This binary they took bit and digit last letter is T. So it converts bit. Bit stands for binary digit. Bit stands for binary digit. It is the smallest unit of the memory. It is the very smallest memory. The bit is smallest unit of memory. So they will ask, dash is the smallest unit of memory. Bit. It can have a single numeric value of zeros or 1. Okay, zeros or ones. It's a binary codes. Binary system is a numeric system that uses only two digits, 0 and 1. Files in computers are stored as binary files. So whatever we are saving into the computer, it's stored as a binary files. 8 bits placed together form 1 byte. Let's understand about the capacity. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 1 bit, 2 bits, 3 bits, 4 bits. So the combination of 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. So we have the combination of 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. So now you just remember this right hand side, because look at here byte, here also byte, kilobyte, megabyte, it's coming the next step, gigabyte, terabyte, betabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, prontabyte. So you should remember this right hand side. So then left hand side is very easy. And before that you should remember only one number, that is 1024. This is very important number. Okay, 1024, because look at here, everything 1024 bytes is equal to, for example, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1000 is coming often. So the same way, but here 1024 will come instead of 1000. That's all. The computer memory, when you are hearing the word memory, you should remember 1024. Okay, so 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, that is MP. So KB means kilobyte, MP megabyte, GB gigabyte, TB terabyte, PB petabyte, like that. It is a short form. It is a short form of bytes. Okay, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, like that will come. Next, types of memory. Next one is types of memory. Memory of the computer, it is classified two types. The memory of the computer is divided into primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, there are two types. The first one is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. And here primary memory is another name is main memory or internal memory. internal memory. Primary memory or main memory or internal memory. Okay, the second one is secondary memory, that's all. The primary memory is also divided into two types, that is one is RAM and another one is ROM. So RAM stands for random access memory, ROM stands for read-only memory. And secondary memory also, it's divided into four types, that is first one is hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, external hard drive. The next one, primary or main memory. We can see in detail. The primary memory is a part of central processing unit or CPU. So it is located where the inside the CPU. Actually the primary memory will be the actual place is motherboard. So motherboard is located in CPU. So it is also called the main memory of the internal memory. The primary memory is fixed on the motherboard inside the CPU box. So I already told. So the primary memory where is located? In the motherboard. Next, RAM. So random stands for random access memory. RAM is used to store data and instructions that are currently being processed by a computer CPU. It is stored data and instruction in the temporary memory. So RAM is a temporary memory. It is also known as a read and write memory. So we can call it read and write memory. So RW. Okay. So R for read, W for write. We can read and write data onto it. The data stored in RAM is temporary. That's why it's called a temporary memory. Temporary and disappears when a program is closed or the computer is shut down. That's why it's a temporary memory. RAM of a computer is measured in gigabytes. So C:, D:, all the drives you go and check. It will show 32 GB like that. So GB means gigabytes. If you want to the RAM of your computer, just right click on the computer, then click properties and click system. Then you can see this window. Yes, you can see this window. Just look at here. Installed memory RAM 2 GB. Okay, next. ROM, read-only memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. ROM is the permanent memory, but RAM is the temporary memory, but ROM is the permanent memory of the computer. ROM can only be read and not written to. Look at here. ROM, read-only memory means we can only read. We cannot write. ROM stores instructions for the working of the computer system. These instructions are written at the time of manufacture. That's why we could not modify, we could not edit. It's only readable. ROM retains its data even when the computer is turned off. So if we switch off the computer, then also it will be there inside the computer. Data will be very safe. So ROM is essential in a computer. The system cannot boot without it. So we could not boot the computer without ROM. Next, the secondary memory. The secondary memory classified into four types. That is, first one is hardware. The second one is CD, DVD drive. Third one is pen drive, and fourth one is external hard drive. So here hard disk and CD DVD, this is fixed device. These two fixed device, but these two removable. These two removable device. Okay, so hard disk and CD DVD drive we could not remove. It's automatically in one of the hardware in our system. So but we can remove for testing, we can remove for repairing. At pen drive and external hard drive, when we need to transfer the data, that time we can use. Remaining time we can remove. Next, hard disk. This is hard disk. Hard disk drive is made up of series of circular disks called platters arranged one over the other almost half inches apart around a spindle. It will be there like this, half of inch. Disks are made of non-magnetic material like aluminum alloy and coated with 10 to 20 nm of magnetic material. Capacity in terabytes. So here we can use terabytes. So we can store, terabytes is more than gigabytes. CD DVD drive. So this is called CD DVD drive. We can insert CD and DVD. CD stands for compact disc. CD stands for compact disc. CDs are circular discs that use optical rays, usually lasers, to read and write data. They are very cheap as you can get 700 MB of storage space of less than $1. We can spend money to buy a CD below 50. CDs are inserted in CD drives built into CPU cabinet. They are portable as you can eject the drive, remove the CD and carry it with you. So whenever you have to remove the CD or pen drive or external drive, you can use eject option. Three types of CDs. The first one is CDROM. CDROM. The second one is CDR. And third one is CDRW. CD-ROM. CD-ROM means compact disk read-only memory. So CD stands for compact disk. ROM already we know read-only memory. The data on these CDs are recorded by the manufacturer. Proprietary software, audio or video are released on CD-ROMs. Next one is CDR. CD stands for compact disk, R stands for recordable. R stands for recordable. So data can be written by the user once on the CDR. It cannot be deleted or modified later. So once we fixed it means it will not modify or deleted. Next one is CDRW. CD stands for compact disk. RW stands for rewritable. Data can be written and deleted on this optical disk again and again. So we can use it as a memory card. Next, pen drive. So this is called pen drive. Pen drive is a portable memory device that uses solid state memory rather than magnetic fields or lasers to record data. It is also called USB drive, key drive or flash memory. Other name of pen drive is flash memory. Okay, flash memory. So we can call it a USB drive and key drive also. but this is very important, flash memory. Next, external hard disk. This is called external hard disk. It looks like a power bank. An external hard drive is a portable storage device that can be attached to a computer through a USB or wirelessly. External hard drives typically have high storage capacities and are often used to back up computers. So we can back up anything. What we need is, it's a very important, we can back up everything. Thank you so much.